So I needed some new paint brushes so me and my daughter can do some painting, and decided to get 20 of them here. It's actually 2 packs of 10 going on, and each one has a couple different styles and stuff like that. So let's open these up and see what they actually look like and feel like. And it looks like it's got just an easy open zipper right there on top, so that's nice. And then out comes out of the pouch there. And so we're down to a 10 pack right here, and now we're gonna have to open up this 10 pack all the way. So let's tear this open. There we go. Okay, and you can see the different styles of brushes. There's 1 style, 2, 3, and I think there's 4 different styles of brushes roughly, like these ones right here. See the different sizes of the heads and stuff like that. But there's just more of them as well. So there's a couple more fine point ones and a couple small ones and things like that. So you get 10 of them. It's a little mixture like this. Now they look really nice. Nice little brushes. They got numbers on them. I don't know if these numbers, oh yeah, they do. So it looks like they correspond to the size. They've got them numbered in there for you and which ones they are. So you got a couple size 2s, etc. And oh, nice little blue color on the shaft right here. It goes nice with that gold. And then the brush here feels like it'll paint really well. It doesn't like feel like professional or anything like that, but I don't think they're meant to be. But yeah, it feels like overall a pretty quality brush. So we'll give it a little go with some acrylic paint. I know it can also go with oils and watercolors too, but we'll just give it a little test with some acrylic here. Okay, so I'm gonna try painting here. This is the number 4 brush there. It's a really nice one, feels cool in the hand. So I'm gonna use this red paint here. So let's see how it goes on here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, so here's the canvas. I'm gonna paint on a red nose here. Oh yeah, it really goes on nicely. My daughter painted that brown circle there. There you go, you can call that a nose, right? Looks pretty cool.